pictures, take a look. Here are words, let's start. The top of the book, the bottom of the book, the front of the book, the back of the book, the pages of the book, the title of the book. This story is called Rabbits and Raindrops. We're going to read this story this week because it's going to introduce us into learning about spring. We'll talk about what we see outside in the spring, what spring changes spring, and what the animals do in the spring. Rabbits and Raindrops. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge and the edge of the green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon, others come inside out of the rain. A hummingbird has come to join them. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly, the showers ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. The end.